What's up, guys? This is a 4 hair types and 1 product brand tutorial video using Eden Body Works. And I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a story time about Eden Body Works because Eden Body Works is inspirational-esque. And I think it's important to not only talk about hair, because yes, hair is something we love and we always want to know more and more about it, but it's even more important to talk about Black female entrepreneurship. And that is exactly what Eden Body Works represents for somebody like myself. I'm getting the help of some of my favorite beauty blogger friends who know a lot about hair, and they're new to Eden Body Works, which is even better because this is gonna be their genuine reaction to this product. So before we get started, this is brushed out hair, stretched hair, because I am going to be doing a braid out, a hairstyle that I rock pretty much all of the time because it stretches my hair and I like the look. Using the Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm not sure how much you guys know about the story behind Eden Body Works, but like I said, it is super inspirational. It was started by a girl named Jasmine Lawrence when she was 11 years old. But put a pin in that for a second. I want to show you guys my girl, Amina. She is going to show us how she achieves her best wash and go.
Today my hair is a little bit frizzy, and what I'm going to be doing is just kind of doing a refresher wash and go. First I am going to section my hair off, and I already have my hair parted the way that I want it to. Taking this spray bottle, I like to get it pretty wet but not completely soaking, because once I start adding in my products, it makes it a little bit easier. Coconut Shea Leave-In Conditioner. So I'll put about a quarter size in here and rake it through, and this just helps me detangle my hair. It smells so good. Okay, then taking the natural curl defining cream and raking it through. And I put in a decent amount, so, oh, this product is really thick. It feels, oh, my curls are gonna be popping. My curls are gonna be so juicy.
Yes, they're already so defined.
Oh my gosh, I might not even need gel. This is crazy. Since my curls are already very, very defined from this, I am gonna be using the natural curling jelly, and this has a pretty good consistency. I'm gonna use just a little bit because I know this is gonna be pretty powerful based on the cream. So that is just gonna make sure they clump together really nicely, which is already doing a really, really great job at that. Like, this is always a good sign for nice juicy curls when they stick together like this. It is dry. This is just a dry season right now, so I'm gonna be sealing it with the natural hair oil, and I'm just gonna take probably just a little dime size, and I'm gonna seal all of this in. And when I put oil on after styling while my hair is still wet, it does a really, really great job at making my hair super shiny when it dries. And to keep my hair kind of separated, and then also to make sure I don't have too much shrinkage at my roots because I want it to dry a little bit longer, I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and stick it up top here, kind of like I do in a lot of my other tutorials where I use duck clips, but this will work just the same. Because I would say that I'm a 3C-4A, because you can see when my hair is dry,
yeah,
that, I mean, if you want to like get into my curl pattern a little bit, like there are some that are just very tight, coily curls. Alright, this is the final product of my styled hair. So of course we have to let this dry. Normally, if I had some time, I would let it air dry, and I still will probably let it air dry partially, but I do want to speed up the process to show the results and also see them for myself, because these curls look super defined. You can see they're very well clumped together, and honestly, most products that I use do not do this great of a job. After about 4 or 5 minutes of defusing, you can see the curls are starting to come up a little bit, and they're still super defined. They look really, really good. I am really loving this product so far. With the gel, it definitely holds it together, but with the oil too, it just gives it a very, very nice, like, soft hold, but at the same time, like, this curl isn't going anywhere. Just really great definition all around, especially in my normally frizzier parts. So this is the final look before picking it out. I am just super impressed by this line. I only really use leave-in conditioner and then the curling cream, the gel, sealing it with the oil. My hair already feels super moisturized, and I can just tell that this style is gonna last a long time, probably 5 or 6 days. I can already tell just from the definition and how moisturized it feels. It doesn't feel heavy at all and not sticky. So yes, Eden Body Works gets a thumbs up for me.
The crazy part for me in learning about Jasmine was that she started this brand when she was only 11 years old. What were you doing at 11 years old? She started this for the purpose of her healthy hair journey and getting her hair in the best shape and not finding the products that worked best for her hair. She literally started to experiment in her basement until she concocted the right formula to get what she has gotten, which birthed Eden Body Works. So she's 26 years old now, which is like very young, and she works for Microsoft, yo. She works for Microsoft, doing cool stuff for gamers and like creating stuff, like being a full-time creative with her entrepreneurship. She's just like the epitome of black girl magic. And so is my girl Linda, who's our next hair type.
When the scarf come off, I'm gonna transform in front of your eyes. So I think I'm gonna start with this. This is the leave-in conditioner. So it was technically sort of kind of moisturized last night, so I'm not gonna use very much, but probably this much for my whole head. Focus it on the twist ends and the roots, obviously. It smells mad good. My mom loves eating stuff, and I always try to sneak it, and she like always hides it from me.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, I'm using a little bit more because the middle of my head is always so dry. Now, I'm gonna go in with this natural curl defining cream, and this time I'm gonna apply it to each individual twist. And comb it through. Obviously this would work better if your hair's already tangled, but if it's not, just like take your time. And then I'm gonna concentrate some of my ends. So I'm just gonna continue this process for all of the twists. Just a little bit of the curl defining cream. I would definitely say, okay, so the front of my hair is like 4B, maybe even 4C, some of that is mixed in it, but the back of my hair is more like 4A, it's way looser. Put this scarf on for like a few minutes just to like absorb any like of the white extra-ness that's on here. And then I shall be back to take it off and untwist. Take a little bit of oil in my hand, rub it all together like so. I'm going to lightly separate using this edge control right here. Then using a stocking, just gonna place this on your forehead like so. Crisscross it in the back like that. And you're gonna slide up. I'm just gonna tie this. And then tie a little knot. Okay, and then using the pick, I'm just going to pick Alright guys, so you're probably wondering like why did she put all those twists in, yada yada yada. But if you have hair like mine, it's very important that your hair is detangled for a puff, because if you're gonna pick out your roots, it's very important that it's detangled. If you have shorter hair like me right now, my puff can't look like this. With an elastic, it will literally be like a ponytail this small. So if you want to give the illusion that you got more hair on your head, this definitely gives you that, because you could fake a puff and people will think you have way more hair than you actually do.
Now I want to introduce you guys to Latoya Cotner, one of my favorite beauty girls, because she just knows about everything lifestyle in general. Her channel specializes in the 4B-4C hair type.
Because our LA winter has been so dry, both Latoya and Linda decided to do updos on their stretched hair.
I have type 4 hair, 4B-4C, and I'm gonna be doing a top knot bun. I have a twist out right now, so my hair is stretched. So I wet the perimeter of my hair so that I can try the Eden Body Works Control Glaze Edge Gel. Smooth consistency, taking kind of a little more than a pea size.
Yeah.
I'm noticing that as the edge control hits the water, it has a lot more slip. Okay. I'm gonna take a brush and just smooth, taking a single elastic band. Place my hair into a high ponytail. Depending on how full you want your top knot to be, you can, if you have a small enough elastic, you can leave it like this, but I'm gonna wrap it one more time just to secure it. Just grab a chunk of hair from the very center. I'm gonna twist that. The sort of center anchor, which I'm going to use to wrap the rest of my hair around. Using bobby pins to secure this. We're keeping that still right there. You can start kind of tucking at the top too. Right. I'm going to take this and just tuck it. Before I got to this point, my hair was freshly washed. I used the natural pudding souffle leave-in conditioner. I had some coconut oil on my hair. You can also try any essential oil. Eden Body Works has the coconut shea.
The goal for me is bigger waves. I'm always trying to go for like this Little Mermaid thing. I don't always achieve it, but you know, your girl tries. So back to Eden Body Works and Jasmine. She was on the Forbes 30 Under 30 last year, 2017. And the work that she's doing, the work that she continues to do, like she's so low key and she's so humble and she's honestly like an amazing and inspiring entrepreneur, especially for Black millennial girls. She created a hair brand in her basement as a preteen. It is in stores literally all over the US and Canada, but also the fact that she still is doing incredible work by working in the tech world with Microsoft. Like, putting those two things together, it just proves to you that one, your goals and your dreams are endless, that there is not one box that you have to put yourself in, and that Black girls are continuously and endlessly magical. I have about 6 braids. They are not by any means perfect. This on overnight. And so now I'm going to take these out. As the day goes, it'll drop a bit more and a bit more and a bit more. Okay, but there's more. We're doing a giveaway, yeah! I love doing giveaways, especially for a product like this. Eden Body Works is such great all natural products made by an amazing and awesome Black girl magic, Black girl entrepreneur, all of that kind of stuff. So you guys know that I have to support her.
All you have to do is follow myself and Eden Body Works on Instagram or Twitter. Repost this image with the hashtag Eden Body Works Love and tag us so that we know you are a part of the giveaway.
You can repost this image as many times as you feel like it, and the more times you repost it, the better chance you have of winning this prize. So big thank you to Eden Body Works for sponsoring this video, as well to my friends Amina, Linda, and Latoya for showcasing their amazing hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with any of your friends who you think need this message. Bye guys!